This is Penny in her forest green basket. Oh, so snuggly after a bath. Hi, Penny Ray. Good girl. Show us your tummy. Oh, good girl. Oh, Mama loves you, Penny Ray. You're a good girl. Nighty-night, Penny. Clean bean. Who's that? Who woke up? Oh, Penny doesn't like to see anybody else in her house. Growling. You want to go outside, Mama Chiquita? Who wants to go into the dark? Come on, Penny. Come on, Mama. Nighttime pee-pee time. Oh, that belly's making her fall over on the stairs. Come on. Alright, she wants some privacy because she's going to go pee-pee now. Thanks for watching.